That's great. Don't need to buy an alarm anymore.
Okay.
It's a matter of time until something is broken. Take him on a stroll, pal.
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tries